Today we're doing Beautification. It's our annual beautification program or event, and so we've got projects at all of our schools all across the district. District team members, our scholars, families, businesses, churches, all kinds of folks from all across Jackson are descending on our buildings and helping with a number of projects.
We actually adopted North Jackson Elementary. So this school and this adoption gives our employees an opportunity to come over and clean up, and we have just had a great partnership with North Jackson, and cleaning up is just one of the things we do. We're in the middle of a back-to-school supply drive right now where every kid at North Jackson will get supplies for an entire year.
Ooh, Entergy spoils us, and we love it. But it comes in handy because we get a chance to use those funds for various things throughout the school year for our teachers and our boys and girls. And Entergy has been really, really good to us.
We're working in the library here, helping to set up books and build some of the library book carts and that sort of thing. Others, we planted some flowers earlier today. At other schools, they're doing some power washing and maybe some murals and maybe some light painting, cleaning some walls and entrance ways. Of course, teachers are setting up classrooms, and we've got folks helping them to set up their classrooms. There's all kinds of projects happening all throughout the district. We want to do as much as we can to really show some love to these buildings and demonstrate to our scholars how much we value them and how much we want them to experience schools that are worthy of them.